5 simple sofa cleaning tips you should know. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos, you'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We fold together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Hello again, and welcome to another new cleaning video in our channel FastKlean. We always encourage you to watch every video on this channel till the end to learn more about effective cleaning. Not sure where to get relevant sofa cleaning tips? Search no more. Sofas provide luxury and comfort, but they also require maintenance. This video should help you do just that. If you own a sofa, you will agree that cleaning and maintenance is always the problem. If you have kids, then that problem just skyrocketed, because you have to constantly worry about stains and dirt. It is such a chore. No doubt sofas are aesthetically pleasing. They add a unique and elegant touch to any living room. Be that as it may, they also come with maintenance needs that must be fulfilled if you want to enjoy comfort and elegance for a long time. Having gathered plenty of years of experience, we are happy to share these 5 simple sofa cleaning tips you should know. As always, we will leave you with a bonus tip at the end. So stay glued. Also, please click on subscribe if you haven't done that already. Now, let's get to it. Tip number 1. Always check the instruction before cleaning. The first and most important step of cleaning your sofa is to check the manufacturer's instructions. Different sofas come with different instructions. Without understanding the instruction and material, you might completely ruin your sofa in the process of cleaning. Be sure to check the letter on the tag and the instruction attached. This will guide you on the cleaning method and material to use. Tip number 2. Don't allow the stain to set. Perhaps this is the most important of all sofa cleaning tips. Stains are inevitable if you have kids. Even though you live without kids, you will still find yourself battling with stains from time to time. While this is a normal occurrence, you should be ready to deal with stains immediately. Allowing the stain to set will make it a lot more difficult for you to clean at the end of the day. The smart move is to attend to the stain immediately. More importantly, don't allow the stain to spread while cleaning. Tip number 3. Be mindful of the cleaning product used. The cleaning product you use is just as important as the cleaning method you choose. Be careful not to use a product that is too harsh for the material. This is yet another reason to check the instructions on the tag before cleaning. Sometimes, all you need is water and a cleaning cloth. Make sure to confirm first. Tip number 4. Choose the right cleaning method. The cleaning method you choose determines how effective the result will be. There are several cleaning methods to choose from. There is foam cleaning, steam extraction, etc. This means you have to choose the right one for your sofa to get your desired result. Keep in mind that sofas come in different materials. The cleaning method you choose should be suitable for the material. Otherwise, you risk destroying your sofa in a bid to get it clean. Tip number 5. Call a pro immediately. Obviously, you can see from these sofa cleaning tips that maintaining your sofa requires gross attention to detail such that you may destroy the furniture with a single mistake. Therefore, it is advisable to seek the help of professionals from time to time. Whether it is a minor stain or regular cleaning, a professional is always your best bet. They know just what to do and how to do it. They know the products to use and how to use them. They are definitely your best bet when it comes to preserving the quality and aesthetic of your sofa. Here is your bonus tip. Clean regularly. How often do you clean your sofa?